this day the I dare not tell, but Apollo played the midwife's part. Into the world Corinna fell, and he endued her with his art. But Cupid with a Satyr comes, both softly to the cradle creep, both stroke her hands and rub her gums, while the poor child lay fast asleep. Then Cupid asked this little maid, "Of love shall always speak and write." "And I pronounce," the Satyr said, "the world shall feel her scratch and bite." Her talents she displayed betimes, for in a few revolving moves she seems to laugh and squall in rhymes, and all her gestures were lampoons. At 6 years old the subtle jade stole to the pantry door, and found the butler with my lady's maid, and you may swear the tale went round. She made a song how little miss was kissed and slobbered by a lad, and how when master went to pee, miss came and peeped at all he had. At 12 a wit and a coquette marries for love half-wife, cuckolds, elopes and runs in debt, turns authoress and discourse for life. Her commonplace book all gallant is, of scandal now a cornucopia. She pours it out in Atalantis on memoirs of the new utopia. And Cupid asked this little maid, "Of love shall always speak and write." "And I pronounce," the Satyr said, "the world shall feel her scratch and bite."